Hello, I got this new Amazon remote because mine, I lost the back and I was like, well, let me just get a brand new remote. So let's see how we can set it up. All right, to pair a new remote, you're just gonna go into settings. Let's go over to controller and Bluetooth and Amazon Fire remotes. Add new remote. And then the new one here, we're just gonna hold down the house button for 10 seconds. All right, now it found it. Press select on your old remote. All right, now it's got the new remote all paired up and the new remote works. So if you guys need a new remote, this is a great option. Thanks.